Hello everyone. Today we're going to see Codeforces 1294B problem, collecting packages. Let's read the question. There is a robot in a warehouse and in packages he wants to collect. The warehouse can be represented as a coordinate grid. Initially, the robot stays at the point 0, 0. The ith package is the point xi, yi. It is guaranteed that there are no two packages at the same point. It is also guaranteed that the point 0, 0 does not contain a package. The robot is semi-broken and only can move up and right. In other words, the robot can go from x comma y to the point x plus 1 comma y or to the point x comma y plus 1. Here, as we say about the robot wants to collect all in packages, he wants to do it with the minimum number of possible moves. If there are several possible traversals, the robot wants to choose the lexicographically smallest part. Let us see the constraints. The first line of input contains integer t, the number of test cases. The next line contains the n, the number of packages. The next n lines will be containing the coordinates x, y. Output. If it is possible to collect all n packages, then we should print s. In the next line, we should print the string which contains r and u. Or else, we'll be printing just no. Here the test cases 5. 5 coordinates 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3. Here the robot can collect in this way, like it first can go to 1, 2, then 1, 3, then 3, 3, then 4, 3, then 5, 5. It is the smallest path which a robot can travel and collect all 9 packages. Let me explain the logic. Here are the test cases 5, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5 and 4, 3. Now to find whether it is possible to collect all in packages or not, first we need to sort it out. First I will be sorting x. While sorting x, we should also see condition like if both x's are equal, then we should see y. According to that we should sort it out. After sorting, then we should find whether it is possible or not. It is only possible if both x and y should be always increasing or same. It should not decrease. If that happens, then it is not possible to collect all in package because the robot can only move right and up. It can't move left and down. Robot is in the position x, 0 and y, 0. Then it will be moving to 1, 2. So to move to 1, 2, first it go to right and then should take 2 ups. So that first I will be finding the difference between both x, first 0th position x and the x is equal to 1. It will be 1. So at first then it will be it will be taking right 1. Then I will be checking with x. The difference is 2, so it will take up 2 times. It will continue like first x, then y, then x, then y, and it continues. According to that, we will be printing the string below. Okay, let me explain the code. Let me explain the code. First, I will be getting t number of test cases, then n number of coordinates. I am declaring a 2D array, then string which we need to print. Then I am getting all inputs, all coordinates. Then here I am using selection sort for sorting x. After sorting, I need to check y because if y should be always increasing. If it decrease, then it is not possible. So if it decrease, if that happens, then I will be making flag is equal to 1. At this point, we will be knowing that whether it is possible or not. Then the string. For string, for to print the string, first I am using for loop. Then first I am initially the robot in the position 0, 0. Here h is equal to 0, g is equal to 0 is the initial point. First I am getting difference between the first getting difference between the first x, then I will be for using for loop I am adding that much or, because it should take that much right to get to that position. Then I'm updating that position with that latest position, current position. Then after that I'm coming to y. So y also I'm first getting the difference between first and the second y. Then I'm updating the y, and I'm also with for loop I'm adding u to the string. Then I'm updating the y with updating the g with current position of y where the robot stays. Like this, we will be getting that string. After that, if flag is equal to 0, because if flag is equal to 1, it is not possible, because we found from this we found that that is possible or not. If flag is equal to 0, then we should be printing x. In the next line we should be printing that string which we obtained from this, or else we will be printing no. Thank you.